In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of billing for upstream retainage to the owner of the project. So we're going to start by going to the contract, and under the contract, we'll create new contract invoice. From here, we'll select the date and the period to. And because this project's already billed at 100% across the board, we're going to scroll over and we can either go through and change the retainage rate from 10% down to 0, or at the bottom, we can change this to 0% in bulk. Here we're going to bill for approximately $100,000 or 10% that was withheld from the job. We click Save. Now when we do this, two things are happening behind the scenes. First, that amount is being reduced on the balance sheet under the Retainage Receivables account by the amount of the invoice. Second, that amount is moved over to Accounts Receivables so we can begin the process of collecting on the retainage, releasing downstream Accounts Payables retainage, and then we can close out the project. In the next video, we'll go through the process of releasing the Accounts Payable retainage for downstream subcontractors.